Today I will talk about FAI or femoroacetabular impingement. Now this is a very common condition, especially in the young and athletic population. Here the patient or the person presents with hip pain, groin pain, sometimes radiating to the thigh. This is activity related, so most of the sporting activities causes this pain. Now sports like ice hockey, wicket keepers in cricket, soccer, skiing, all this can cause injury to this hip joint. Pathology wise, there is a separation or delamination of the acetabulum cartilage from the socket. There is various degrees of synovitis and labral involvement, meaning the labrum can get frayed, labrum get torn or separated, and other pathologies in the labrum can happen like cyst formation. There is a bony outgrowth if it is a cam type involvement, bony outgrowth in the head neck junction of the femur, or if it is a pincer type involvement, then there are various degrees of acetabulum overcoverage. So various degrees meaning it can be a localized overcoverage or it can be a global overcoverage like we see in protrusio acetabuli or like we see when there is a retroversion of the acetabulum. Now in both these conditions there is an abnormal impingement between these two bones which form the hip joint. Now how do we tackle it? So first we need to do investigations like normal standard hip joint x-rays, AP, frog lateral or a Dunn's view, which will give you most of the information. Sometimes we ask for MRI or MR arthrogram, which is preferred. Very rarely we also do what is called as a CT scan to look for any bony outgrowths or subspine impingement or some heterotopic ossification if it is a revision case. So these three investigations form the basis of diagnosis. Now how do we treat it? Now the treatment involves arthroscopic surgery where we pass a 70 degrees arthroscope or a telescope in the joint, and under visualization we remove the excess bony outgrowth either from the head neck junction of the femur if it is a cam deformity, or from the acetabulum socket if it is a pincer deformity. Once that is done, the bony outgrowth is removed. We then focus to remove or to take care of the damaged cartilage and the labrum in the form of either a microfracture or an ACI for the cartilage or a labral repair, labral debridement or a labral reconstructions based on the condition which we see, pathology which we see inside. So it is very important why we should treat this condition. Now research has shown that if you leave FAI, it progresses to early osteoarthritis of the hip joint. So early osteoarthritis of the hip joint will need a joint replacement surgery eventually. So you are not only preventing osteoarthritis, you are also delaying a need for joint replacement surgery. That is why FAI is very important. Thank you.